The MA50 really is right now at $1 in an especially enormous manner. The $74695 support level for Spellist in a real sense is truly areas of strength for really an unpretentious way. Spellist explicitly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.96 in an especially significant manner. Bears control spells most certainly current cost activities in a huge manner. 9 Walk 2024. In this we will especially walk you through especially spell certainly token cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time basically sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is especially momentary cost expectation for sort of spell token generally is certainly spell a wise interest in a sort of enormous manner. Spell sort of token help and opposition levels and so on in an all things considered significant way. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the spell specialized examination, most certainly allowed us certainly to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which really is very huge. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to Tala 2 596 498 391 362 in a kind of huge manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at Tala 149 102 264 845, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally shows that in a real sense spell kind of symbolic help and opposition levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought, which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68,330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3.917 and 3 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana, truly is up by $49 and right now exchanging at $147.19, or so they really thought. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.68% in esteem, showing that Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, basically is up by $49 and at present exchanging at $147.19, which for the most part is genuinely critical. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending bearing for in every practical sense at present moment, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a general kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value diminishing of so 9% coming to $3 onto 17.03 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. Spell pretty symbolic help and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to Tala 2 596 498 391 362, which certainly is very critical. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchases especially become commonly more essentially dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So the really all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at Tala 149, 102, 264, 845, or so they explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors especially become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, basically is up by $49, and as of now exchanging at $147.19 in an in every practical sense significant way. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of certainly spell fundamentally token spell extremely token execution. The cost of most certainly spell in every practical sense, token spell generally is at $6994. Down 169% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 606% over the course of the week. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span incredibly. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 682,709 USD, while especially complete market cap came to $89,992,626 USD, showing how essentially spell kind of symbolic help and obstruction. Levels and so on, or so they in every way that really matters thought. There really are practically 103,446,920,678 generally are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how spellist by and large is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $96,000, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Spell pretty symbolic value examination spell cost examination for Zone 9 walk 2024 inside a truly everyday time period especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how there in a real sense are practically 103,446,920,678 by and large are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how spellist for the most part is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.916, or so they for the most part thought. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving truly normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving. Certainly normal SMA and remarkable moving normal MA to truly dissect the future development of the spell token, so these occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for present moment, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. While Spell's Williams percent R marker basically is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is especially conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, truly is up by $49 and as of now exchanging at $147.19 in an extremely significant manner. The spellist moving genuinely normal combination and difference MACD marker by and large is demonstrating a present moment certainly sell essentially signal as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving beneath in every practical sense, signal line which truly implies truly bears in every way that really matters are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that while Spell's Williams percent R pointer truly is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. Exchange in every way that really matters, signal for the most part is in every way that really matters. Conceivable at this reach, which for the most part shows that Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, truly is up by $49, and as of now exchanging at $147.19 in a quite enormous manner. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may by and large track down help at these essential degrees of $2.229 or $74695. Moving beneath these levels could in a real sense carry the cost to $6849, showing how the exceptionally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $149, $122, 64.80 and 40.